Now, if you have to buy a new car, well, there are a lot of things that you have to consider. Things like budget and of course, fuel efficiency. But one of the things that's really gaining popularity in recent times and wasn't really the case a few years ago is the factor of safety. Yes, now safety has become a really important factor in buying cars, and as a result, automakers are incentivized to make safer and safer cars over the years. Right now, there are a lot of safe cars that you can buy under the 10 lakh rupee price bracket. So if safety is a concern to you, well, we decided to put together a list of the 5 safest cars that you can buy in India in less than 10 lakh rupees. Here are the cars. Our first car in this list is the Mahindra XUV 300. It is also the newest car in our list to have undergone a safety test. The Mahindra XUV 300 compact SUV has been awarded the highest 5-star safety rating by global safety watchdog Global NCAP. It is also the highest point scorer among all the 5-star rated cars from India that have been tested so far by Global NCAP. The Mahindra XUV 300 has also become the first Indian vehicle to score a 4-star child safety rating. It is noteworthy that side impact performance is a prerequisite for a 5-star safety rating, and the XUV 300's side impact performance has been one of the best among all 5-star rated cars. The Tata Altroz achieved 5 stars for adult occupant protection and 3 stars for child occupant protection under the tests done by Global NCAP. The Altroz, which offers 2 front airbags as standard, had its structure and its footwell area rated as stable. Head and neck protection for adult occupants was good. Chest protection for both adults was adequate. Child occupant protection showed good protection for the 18-month-old dummy with the CRS installed rearward facing and using the standard ISOFIX anchorages. The head contact of the 3-year-old dummy with the interior of the car, the lack of 3-point belts in all seating positions explain the 3-star rating for child occupant protection. The Tata Altroz isn't the only car from Tata Motors to be one of the safest cars in India, as it was the Tata Nexon which bagged the title for being the first 5-star scoring car from Tata Motors. Interestingly, the Tata Nexon also holds the title for being the first car from India to ever get a 5-star crash test safety rating. The model offers good protection for both adult head and neck, marginal protection for the driver's chest, and adequate protection for passenger's chest. The pedals showed some risk for the lower legs due to their displacement. The 18-month-old child dummy received good protection, while the 3-year-old child passenger showed high readings in chest and head exposure. You have to give credit to Tata Motors at this point for offering a total of 4 cars that cost less than 10 lakh rupees and make it to the list of top safest cars in India in this budget. After the Nexon and the Altroz, the Tata Tiago and the Tigor are your next best bet at safety, as both of these cars have received a crash test safety rating of 4 stars. Since the Tigor is actually based on the Tiago and is identical in construction, we decided to club these two together for the number 4 spot. Both these cars achieved 3 stars for child occupant protection in the crash test. The Tigor and the Tiago offer 2 front airbags as standard and had their structure and footwell area rated as unstable. Head and neck protection for adult occupants, on the other hand, was good. So there you have it. These are the cars that are made in India, made for India, made by Indian manufacturers, but are taking the global testing crash tests by storm by performing so well.